Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
Rain here with Inside the Magic, and I'm here aboard the Disney Dream. I love Disney cruises because they offer unique experiences that you can't find anywhere else at sea. Here are my top 5 things that you can only see on a Disney cruise. Let's take a look. There are scheduled character greetings every day on a Disney cruise, but that's not the only opportunity to see your favorites.
Check out all the human news. Hello, news.
At Animator's Palette, Trush from Finding Nemo is joining the party for some lively dinner conversation.
Hello, news.
Hello! This is a similar experience to Turtle Talk with Trush at Epcot, where you're actually talking to Trush. Up on deck, Nemo's Reef offers even more opportunities for the little ones to feel like they're part of the undersea party. At Vanellope Sweet Shop, you're absorbed into the world of Wreck-It Ralph as you shop through the Tandy Kingdom. These treats aren't included in your cruise, but it sure is fun to race around in here.
It's a play on words. Oh, never mind.
And at the Oceaneer Club, kids really become part of their favorite Disney movies. Create with Tinkerbell in Pixie Hollow, slide with Slinky Dog in Andy's Room, or talk to R2 himself aboard the Millennium Falcon. I had the chance to pilot the old piece of junk, and odds are, these kids thought I was somebody's weird mom. But you know how I feel about that. Never tell me the odds. In the Disney Infinity Room, you can play as any Disney Infinity character and have access to all of the playsets. Seriously, can I live here? Kids can take a peek at this area anytime there's an open house at the club. Life on a Disney ship is so amazing, you might forget that it's actually taking you somewhere. For those of you on Bahamian and Caribbean cruises, you to be heading to Disney's private island. Imagine Disney's idea of a tropical paradise. That's exactly what you'll find at Castaway Cay. A perfect oasis of sand, sun, and adventure await with all the details taken care of. One of the best places to meet Disney characters is at the dock. With families rushing to the beaches, lines here are very short. You can also have exclusive encounters with the characters, like I experienced when I visited Mondo's whale tooth dig, and I had some rare time with the mouse himself. I was really bad at finding anything, so Mickey actually gave me some hints. Thanks, buddy. And there are so many activities to enjoy here. Volleyball, tetherball, shuffleboard, basketball, chess, and pool are just among some of the games that you can play. My favorite way to explore the island is an affordable bike ride through the trees. Check out our bike ride video to see everything this adventure has to offer. You can lay on the beach, snorkel, and even feed stingrays, but the best place on the beach is the Pelican Plunge area, where the whole family can explore places to climb, jump, and slide in the water. If you want to experience the real Adventureland, you need to get yourself to Castaway Cay. So how would you like to help Mickey and Kermit solve a couple of mysteries? On the Disney Dream and Fantasy ships, we'll need your sleuthing skills to figure out who is behind a couple of strange heists. The Midship Detective Agency is an action-packed scavenger hunt that you can do at your own pace throughout your entire cruise. Meet at one of the Midship Detective Agency stations to receive your map, a list of suspects, and most importantly, your badge. This badge will be your key to communicating with the Muppets and your favorite Disney characters. You may have noticed the paintings all over the ship that subtly come to life. These can be activated with your badge to participate in some detective work. You'll get to explore the entire ship while you look for clues and use your detective badge to play mini games on the paintings that have come to life. My favorite part? Finding Pepe's door. I knocked and pretended to be room service, but he must have been out at the pool. If you'd like to end your evening with a bang, a Disney cruise is actually the only place to do it. Right now, we are headed to the pirate party on deck. Yarr. We donned the complimentary bandanas left in our stateroom and headed to the deck to take part in an incredible pirate-themed buffet. After dancing off some of our snacks, we ended the night in the way that only Disney can. It's currently the only cruise line to offer fireworks at sea. Fireworks set to the shore of Pirates of the Caribbean. After all, we were pirates in the Caribbean. And that's all 5. If you have more questions about what to do or see on Disney cruises, just hit me up on Instagram at Rain Loves Disney or at ITM News. If you have any more questions or need any more information about Disney Cruise Line, visit us at InsideTheMagic.net for a complete guide. See you real soon.